going on, guys? Today's video we're going to be installing a towel bar, and right here's our brackets. They're the 3/4, and here's our 3/4 inch bar by 24 inches, and we're going to be mounting it right over here on this wall. And the bathroom already has one towel bar which is above the toilet, and the resident's son, I guess he struggles trying to get his towel back up there, so they asked if we can put one over here on this wall. That way it'd be easier for him to hang his towel up. So let me gather up my tools and we'll get started. Okay, so first thing we want to do is measure our height, and we're going to go off the height of the other towel bar, which is 60 inches. So we'll measure up 60 inches from the floor. Which is right here. And I'm going right here because I believe there's a stud here from the exhaust fan up there. And we will double check here. Yep, right there's a stud. So we'll come down, see if we can find it. Right there's the stud. So 60 inches, be right about here. And I know we got a stud there. If you can get one stud on one side of your towel bar, that's good. If not, you'll have to use anchors on both sides. So we know that's going to be our starting point for our left bracket. So we'll go ahead and mark that. And we'll go ahead and get our drill. And on our first mark, we'll go ahead and get this drywall drilled out. I just use my Phillips bit. Now we'll get our hardware for our towel bar. And on your hardware, make sure you get the correct one on the left and the correct one on the right. Your little set screws right here, they'll be on the bottom. So you want it like this. So we want the left one. And we'll get the mounting brackets out. Okay, here's our two mounting brackets. So we'll go ahead and put the one bracket on the wall. Go ahead and get your screw in. Okay, now we'll get ready to put our first bracket on, and you're going to need a small flathead. This one here is a 1/8 Phillips. It's a little Klein 32581. You want to go ahead and back out the screw a little bit. Get it over the top. And we'll go ahead and tighten it up. Now we'll go ahead and grab our towel bar. And you want to check it out for any imperfections. And actually, look, we got a little dent right there, so you want to put that in the back. Go ahead and stick it in one side. You can get your other bracket. There's that little set screw right here on the bottom. If it's sticking up past there, you want to go ahead and back it out to where you really can't see it, so it's flush. Stick this up here, grab our little torpedo level, and then we'll go ahead and level it out. Okay, right there is level. Let me get my pencil. And right there is where we're going to want it mounted. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and make a little mark with my pencil right on top. So I know that's the top of the bracket where it needs to be. And I also know on the back side of the bracket, whenever the mount is in place, so from the top down to the center is an inch. So we'll just measure down 1 inch from there, and that's where our screw is going to go. Okay. I'll go ahead and get my drill, do the same thing, pull off my little magnetic piece, and start the hole with the Phillips bit. Grab our drywall anchor. Okay. And slowly take your anchor in. Alright, there's our anchor. Got our other screw and our mounting bracket ready to go. Grab your towel bar. Remember any imperfections in the back, which is right here. So we'll go ahead and slide that side in, the other one in, and we'll slide it up over. There we go. Grab our little precision screwdriver and we'll tighten it up. Nice and solid. Check out, make sure everything's still level, which it is. Bring you over to show you. There you go. It's hanging a towel bar. Pretty easy. That's how I do it. I mean, there's a million ways to do it, but that's what works for me, and I've had pretty good success. Everything's nice and tight, good to go, and they can hang their towel up on it. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you on the next one.